Hey guys, hi! Welcome back to another video. So obviously based on the title of this video, you already know this is a Boxycharm unboxing. I'm super excited because Boxycharm is celebrating their 5th anniversary, I believe. I want to say it's the 5th. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, the box looks very promising. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go. Okay, so as soon as you open up the box, the theme of the month is Boxy Bash. This month's box has 6 products. That is amazing. I'm very excited. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start off is this because I gotta do my brows. I mean, I'm looking a little rough right now, so we gotta get these babies out of the way. And for that, I'm going to use this. Give me a minute. I'm struggling here. This is the Aesthetica 3-piece eye trio, and it retails for $45. I mean, these babies right here are double the price of the box itself. I mean, come on! I know I'm gonna like these already because I have tried Aesthetica brushes before and they're really, really soft. So, and I'm gonna like these. I'm gonna use the angle one to do my brows right now. Okay, the next thing in the box that I'm super excited to try is this right here. This is the Cover FX Blurring Primer. A lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores and fine lines. Oh, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. Yes, God, I'm all about that. I already have large pores right here, so I am a fan of blurring primers. They work well on my skin. Oh, and it retails for $38. Yes, so excited to try this. I'm sorry if you can hear in the background, my son is watching his like Paw Patrol cartoons and stuff, so if you hear the noise in the background, you know what it is. The consistency is very thick, but it's something that I would expect out of a blurring primer. Because of the silicone in it, but it feels very smooth on the skin, which is very nice. Yeah, I don't think you can tell on camera, especially because I'm filming with sunlight, so it's not like I have the best lighting right now for you to really see, but I can definitely see a major improvement on the appearance of my pores. I know Cover FX has amazing face products, so I wasn't expecting any less from this. Love it. Now that I have my primer on, I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup, my foundation and stuff. And I'll be right back so we can do the eyes, use that other brush, some other goody stuff in here. Be right back, people. Be right back. Okay, so before I finish with the eyes, I am going to pass on to the next product, which is this baby right here. This is the Pretty Vulgar the Ink Gel Liner, and it retails for $24. I mean, it's so heavy, and there's so much product in this thing. Like, this is 0.2 ounce gel liner. Like, you're not gonna run out. It's insane. I'm really excited to try it. This is what I'm going to use to finish my eyes, and I'm going to pair it with the other brush from the Aesthetica Trio. Let's do that right now. The eyes are done. I went ahead and applied some lashes. These are not my favorite lashes, but you know what? I couldn't find my real charm ones, so this is gonna have to do for now. Next thing in the box is this. I'm so excited to try this. When I saw this on the Boxycharm website, I was like, yes! This is the Pure Cosmetics Sculptor Palette, and it retails for $30. It is a highlighting and contour palette. Let me just show you. And to sculpture my face, to contour my face, I'm going to use this baby right here. This is the Aesthetica P12 face brush, and it retails for $27. I'm not going to open this because I already have one of those. So I'm going to get mine real quick. Okay, so this is what the brush looks like. It's so soft. I've had it for a while now, and I absolutely love this brush. I've never used it to contour, but we should try it right now. Why not? It's not super warm, but it's not so cool neither. So it's like just in the perfect tone for me. Again, I used the lightest shade. This is probably too dark for me because these are super pigmented. So yeah, you just gotta be a little light-handed with them. And for the highlight, I'm just gonna mix them both. People, let's appreciate the contour and the glow here. I actually really like this. Again, this dark shade, it will be great on darker complexions. I use the lighter one. I don't know how this is gonna work on lighter skin tones though, because these are super pigmented, and the highlighters are absolutely beautiful, but I wasn't expecting anything less from Pure, because that Brighten palette that they had that we got a few months ago has become one of my favorite highlighters. It's just amazing, and this is nothing less. Bomb, people, bomb. And the last thing in the box is this. This is the Hand Skincare lip gloss, and it retails for $15. I am very excited because I've been very into lip glosses lately, and I have never tried this brand. So let me see if I can get it open again. There we go, people. It's a really pretty color too, so I'm excited. Let's put this on. Alright you guys, this is how the lip gloss looks like. I used the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in collaboration with I Love Sarai in the shade Curvy as my lip liner for the base. And also I forgot to tell you that I got my lip gloss in the shade Nude Rose, and I love it. Well you guys, and that was everything. What did you think about this month's box? It was so good. Today I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know in the comments what box did you get? No, what products did you get in your box? There we go. And my friends, I gotta go because my baby needs to take a nap. Stay safe. I send you lots of love, kisses, and hugs, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.